masasabi mo or define boss in one word?
Excellent.
C-O-O-L.
Si boss,
Friendly,
Motivator.
good advisor,
Guwapo.
Direct to the point.
helpful.
Yan ang aking pangalawang ama.
Isa siyang kaibigan or kapamilya.
lagi kang pinapatawa kahit hindi ka pa niya masyadong kilala. Maingay.
Thank you for being a good example to us. Happy birthday and enjoy your day with your family.
Kasi, aalamin niya, lalo na yung love life mo. At huwag ka, hahanap siya talaga ng paraan para malaman. Kidding aside, si Boss din yung tao na bibigay siya talaga ng advice na later on mo na ma-realize na tama pala yun. Boss, happy birthday.
Hi boss, happy birthday.
Boss Roque, one of the kind person. And sobrang napakabait. Happy birthday, boss. Enjoy your day.
Nice. Si Boss Roque ay sobrang bait. Yun nga, namimiss na kita, boss. Hindi na kita nakikita. Happy birthday. Enjoy your day, boss. And more pizza. Joke. Happy birthday. God bless. And your family.
More blessing will shower your way and more years to come. Enjoy your specialty, boss. God bless.
I really appreciate your helpful and motivating nature. Tapos, you are an excellent boss with a generous heart.
Si boss kasi pag once nagtanong siya, gusto niya na direct to the point yung sagot mo. Yun yung pagkakilala ko sa kanya na kung saan ayaw niya ng paligoy-ligoy. Boss, happy birthday!
Happy birthday!
Hi sir, happy birthday. Stay healthy.
Sir, happy birthday. God bless and enjoy your day.
Happy birthday, sir. More blessings and good health to you always.
Hello sir, happy birthday. Wish you all the best. And God bless you always. So po yung the best na boss. Thank you sa lahat.
Wish ko po sa inyo, sana marami pa pong birthday na dumating sa buhay nyo and good health. Pati na po sa family nyo. Maraming salamat po at so napakabait nyo po sa amin. Thank you po! Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, Boss Roque! Loves ka na!